I'm Katie with WTI, and these are BotBots. My son is obsessed with these little BotBot minifigs. They're little transformers, but they're everyday objects. Like this one, oh, I got a golden one, is a golden pencil, and then you open it up and you transform it, and it's a little transformer. Now, I am actually terrible at transforming things. I don't know how they work. He can do all of these. Look, it's a little dude. He can do all of these, like all 10 of them or all 6 of them that came with it within a minute. They're super cute and tiny, so I definitely wouldn't recommend these for small children, but my son is 9, and like I said, he's obsessed with Transformers, so he likes having this portable option that he can take to a friend's house, play out in the backyard with, bring to the pool. He loves them. As a matter of fact, I came down the morning that he got these, and it was 6:30 in the morning, and he was at the table playing with them. I love that he spends so much time with these instead of on a screen, because he loves to transform them back and forth, but then he also likes to play with the characters and give them voices and make up stories to go along with it. So this has been a great way for him to spend time inside that is not on a screen, and I just love how much he loves these. And that's my point of view.